Toyota, a name that has stood the test of time, known for reliability, engineering excellence, and groundbreaking innovation. But lately, Toyota has found itself in unexpected turbulence. From costly engine recalls to puzzling product choices, the winds have been changing, and some loyal fans are beginning to scratch their heads. Could Toyota's reputation for dependability start to falter? What's behind this turbulence, and what does it mean for Toyota's future? Let's drive in. Reason number 7. The Tundra's engine recall debacle. Toyota's reputation for flawless reliability took a hard hit when the company was forced to recall over 100,000 Tundra pickups and Lexus SUVs due to serious engine flaws. What went wrong? Leftover machining debris inside the engine was causing knocking sounds, rough running, and in some cases, a complete loss of power. For a brand that's prided itself on engineering precision, this was more than just a minor oversight. This wasn't just a minor hiccup. It was like hitting a massive pothole on a road that was supposed to be smooth. The financial hit? Over $500 million, a costly lesson in quality control. But that's not all. This recall came just as Toyota was hoping to refresh its lineup, and instead of excitement, it left a cloud of doubt hanging over the brand. For years, Toyota has been synonymous with trustworthiness. But now, some longtime customers are second-guessing their next purchase. Even the Tacoma, a flagship of Toyota's truck lineup, has faced troubling backlash, notably over its transmission issues. In today's competitive automotive market, where every brand is fighting for consumer loyalty, Toyota will need to act fast to restore its once unshakable reputation. Reason number 6. The Land Cruiser's identity crisis. The return of the Land Cruiser should have been a moment of celebration, right? The Land Cruiser was supposed to remind us of Toyota's rugged legacy, a go-anywhere vehicle with real presence on and off the road. But instead, it's been met with confusion. At $56,000, the 2024 Land Cruiser feels like a missed opportunity, especially when compared to its Lexus GLC sibling, which offers more features and a luxurious experience for just a bit more money. What's worse? Toyota made the baffling choice to offer the Land Cruiser as a two-row SUV with a four-cylinder engine, completely omitting the V6 and notably the third-row seating option. These decisions have left many buyers scratching their heads and questioning what Toyota is even trying to do with such an iconic model. As a result, sales have suffered. Thousands of these Land Cruisers are sitting unsold on dealership lots, and many are even being sold below MSRP. Sure, nostalgia can lure some buyers in, but Toyota needs to deliver more than that. If the Land Cruiser can't deliver in features and performance, it risks fading into obscurity, rather than reclaiming its legendary status. Reason number 5. The oversaturated SUV market. Speaking of crowding the market, Toyota's SUV lineup is starting to feel a bit too crowded. In particular, in that $55,000 to $65,000 price range, we have models like the Land Cruiser, 4Runner, and Lexus Jax all vying for the same attention. This overlap is confusing consumers. If you're looking for a premium SUV, which one do you choose? The 4Runner, the Land Cruiser, or the Lexus Jax? They're all offering similar features, like three-row seating and V6 engines, so Toyota's redundancy is starting to dilute their appeal. To make matters worse, the Land Cruiser's two-row, four-cylinder setup starts looking less appealing when compared to those models in the same price range. At this point, Toyota risks cannibalizing its own sales with these overlapping offerings. A streamlined, more distinct lineup could be the key here. Reason number 4. The Tacoma's surprising struggles. The Toyota Tacoma, this mid-size truck, has been a staple for years. It was supposed to be a slam dunk for Toyota's new lineup, but it's been a bit of a mixed bag. Despite its loyal fanbase, hundreds of Tacomas are sitting unsold at dealerships, and many of them are being sold below MSRP. What's causing this unexpected hesitation from buyers? Reliability concerns, a polarizing four-cylinder engine, and rising costs are major turnoffs. The Tacoma has always dominated the midsize truck segment, but now with newer competitors like the Ford Ranger and Chevy Colorado gaining ground, Toyota faces real competition. This presents a bigger issue: how to innovate without losing the qualities that made a vehicle successful in the first place. Toyota needs to address these concerns, and fast, or it could lose its hold on this once dominant segment. Reason number 3: rising prices. Across the board for Toyota, one of the most controversial moves has been its rising prices. Sure, some price hikes are expected when models get updated, but some Toyota vehicles have seen staggering price increases. Take the 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro, for example. Its price has jumped by more than $11,000 compared to previous generations. This is a shock to loyal fans who have always viewed Toyota as the go-to brand for affordability and reliability. But with rising competition, consumers are becoming more cost-conscious than ever. And Toyota's aggressive pricing strategy could push buyers towards rival brands offering better value. If Toyota wants to maintain its loyal customer base, it must find a way to balance cutting-edge features with reasonable costs. Reason number 2: quality control and reliability concerns. Now we get to the crux of the issue: quality control and reliability. Toyota's reputation for reliability has been built on years of engineering excellence, but recent issues have started to chip away at that foundation. Recalls and growing concerns about build quality are forcing even the most die-hard Toyota fans to reconsider their loyalty. Problems like engine failures in the Tundra and transmission issues in the Tacoma are shaking the confidence of customers. Toyota needs to address these issues head-on, because modern vehicles are more complex than ever, with advanced electronics and intricate systems. Toyota must regain its commitment to quality, or risk losing its title as the most trusted brand in the automotive world. Reason number 1: the changing automotive landscape. Finally, Toyota's struggles reflect broader industry shifts. As electric vehicles, EVs, continue to grow in popularity, Toyota's somewhat conservative approach to electrification is putting the brand at a disadvantage. While their hybrid lineup remains strong, Toyota's EV strategy feels more like a reaction than a proactive, forward-thinking vision. Meanwhile, competitors like Tesla, Ford, and GM are charging ahead in the electric future. Toyota needs to accelerate its transition to full electrification and leverage its hybrid expertise to stay ahead in this evolving market.